2, 3, 4. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
The heart and soul of Fat Cat and Birds developed from those old holiday gatherings when the matriarchs would bring all the family together far and near, and we'd sit and have a meal surrounded around Southern-style recipes that had been handed down for generations. As a child, I would nose around the kitchen asking too many questions, bothering the cooks, which is what really sparked my interest in cooking. As I became older, I decided I would go to culinary school so I can really refine those skills while preserving our heritage and culture, which is a very important part of the fabric of American history. When I went to culinary school, what it allowed me to do was kind of take a peek into other cultures and use some of their techniques, their spices and flavors in order to kind of enhance the Southern culture that I'm trying to bring today. Now that is a fat boy fantasy. Wake up your taste buds with Fat Cat and Birds.